saw a long time. Believe me, his growth in the company has broken all records, that he has grown 163 times. It's broken all records. He will never say no to anybody, and you can get cracking. We are proud of you, Ramesh. इस इंसान ने 35 सालों में किसी का मन नहीं दुखाया। जद्दोजहद से जो कुछ भी कर पाया, इसलिए तो ईश्वर की मेहरबानियों का इनके ऊपर है साया। May I request your wife to feel proud of your husband that he has made from nowhere the heaven and fortune for the family. I must say his daughter Nisha and Amish are in USA. Dipesh and his wife are in Australia. His family is in Canada. अब उनका बेटा अपने पिताजी के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेगा। We are proud that the people have so much of belonging, they consider them to be their own state.
Thanks, sir. As you said, 25 years is a lot of time in a company, and in today's time it seems to be impossible for any employee to work till 35 years. My brother in Australia and my sister in the US have sent a mail that I want to read in front of you. This is just for my dad, especially on this special occasion. Where it was, we may not have said it often, but how could we let this day go by saying, without saying how much you mean to us and how much we are proud of you, and we are proud that we are your children. Today we miss being there with you, but we are still thinking about you. We admire and appreciate all your hard work and your sincerity. Congratulations, Papa, to receive this wonderful award. We all love you very much and wish you a lot more success and happiness in years to come. Many, many congratulations, Papa. You are our hero.